First step is select rectangle tool. And hold Ctrl plus Shift key and drag. Next step is, select the square. And press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. And drag to right side like I am doing. I am repeating this process. Follow me. Next step is, select Ellipse tool. Go to in the middle of square, and press and hold Ctrl plus Shift key and drag until circle touches to square. I am repeating this process for each circle. So follow me. Next step is, select the circles, in the square, and then press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Drag it to a side. I am repeating this process. Do follow. Then select all circles, and center it by horizontal and vertical axis. Then we are going to the next step. First select fourth circle and then press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Drag it to a side. Again press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. And drag little bit. To get desired shape. I am repeating this process. Follow me. Select all circles by pressing Ctrl plus A. And drag aside. With them all selected, go to Path and Combine. And then copy that by pressing Ctrl plus C. And grab the rectangle tool, create rectangle on over that circles. And go to Edit, Paste Size, Paste Size. Grab the Select tool and select the rectangle and lower selection to bottom. Then select circles and rectangle and center it on vertical and horizontal axis. Then give it red fill color. Then go to Path and Division. Division breaks shape into tiny individual pieces. Next step is select the bird body and color them. I am repeating this process. Follow me. Now our bird body is ready. Next step is delete the unwanted parts by selecting that part and press delete. Now bird's body is broken in individual pieces. I am going to join them. To do that, select to shape and go to Path and Union. I am repeating this process. Follow me. Next step is color bird with gradient color. So first select the bird beak and select the gradient tool and drag over the beak and select colors from bottom. I am repeating this process. Follow me. Now I color all the bird. Our golden ratio bird is ready. If you like this video, give it one like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos, like this.